Hey there, are you someone whose PR card is lost, or you got your ECO PR but you never received your PR card, or your PR card is destroyed by some reason? So this video is for all the applicants uh, who have lost their PR card or who have never received their initial PR card. So in this video I am going to be covering how to get it done if you are stuck in that kind of scenario. If you are stuck in something like that, there is a link in the description where I will provide the link to this Solemn Declaration forum. This forum is for the people who have lost, stolen or destroyed or never received their PR card after COPR. So this is just a one-page forum. So in my case, like, I became PR but I never received my PR card at my mailing address. I don't know it's lost in Canada Post or what. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna download this forum, get it print out and fill it with the pen. Write your name, your client ID number, which is your file number, your date of birth, country of birth and city of birth. There are only 5 sections, and the third one, you have to enter your address, like the address where you want your PR card to be mailed and where you live right now. Okay, and your PR card number, if you have applicable, like if it was lost or stolen, then you might have it. If you have never received it, then you won't have this one. You have to just leave this empty. Then is the third column is where you have to enter the address that you provided at the time of getting your initial PR card in your permanent resident file, or the address that was there on your PR card. Okay, and the fourth one is just a box. You can fill it out if you want to, or if you don't, you just can leave it empty. But it's better if you fill it out. Just provide some details how you lost your PR card, or just write there, I never received my PR card. Okay, and then is the signature of yours, and then the date, and if you have any parent or guardian, if you are under 18 years of age, then you get a sign here. Otherwise you don't need, just leave this column empty. And after you fill this form out, this is called Solemn Declaration form, just try to fax it to this number. But I'll tell you, most of the time this number does not work. The fax does not go through. So what you gotta do, you gotta mail it to this address. What you can do just a express post by Canada Post to this address, so that you can track your mail, that if it is reached or not. Usually it takes around 1.5 months to reach. And after that, like this is April going on right now, April 20, and they are processing the Solemn Declarations of March 1. So after your mail is received, you should probably wait for around another 2 months for them to process your form, and then they will ship a new permanent resident card to you. Now that I have filled out this form, I am right outside Canada Post. That's okay. After done, I have also shown you how to write the address in to and from section in your express post mailbox. I tried doing it through fax, but the fax number is mostly busy, so we are not able to fax it. So most of the time, like 99% of the time, people have to mail it, and I have chosen express post. After you choose your express post, they'll give you like a slip with a tracking number where you can trace, like, if your mail has been reached to IRCC or not. And express post usually reach between 3 to 7 business days. So that was all the process, how to get a PR card if it is lost, stolen, or if you have never received it. Thank you.